AMBIDEX Robot, the gentle but powerful robotic arm. The AMBIDEX robot, created by Naver Labs, is not your typical bulky industrial machine. Instead, it's designed to be lightweight, lighter than a human arm, thanks to its special cable-driven mechanism. This unique design makes it incredibly safe for human interaction. You could give it a high five at full speed without worrying about getting hurt. But don't let its soft and friendly touch fool you. AMBIDEX is also impressively capable. With 7 degrees of freedom, it can move just like a human arm, handling complex tasks with amazing precision. It can slice vegetables, serve drinks, or even play a quick game of ping pong. One of its most fascinating features is haptic learning. This means AMBIDEX can learn new skills by physically mimicking human movements. A person demonstrates a task, and the robot quickly adapts to perform it on its own. Atlas Robot, the most advanced humanoid robot. Meet Atlas, an amazing humanoid robot built to work both inside buildings and outside on rough terrain. It can sense obstacles and move around on its own or be controlled remotely. Atlas is powered by electricity and hydraulics, and it uses lightweight 3D printed parts that make it strong but not heavy. With special stereo vision and sensors, Atlas can pick up and handle objects around it. Even if someone pushes it or it falls over, Atlas can keep its balance and get back up by itself. It has 28 hydraulic joints that control its legs, arms, back, and neck, letting it walk, climb ladders, and do complex movements just like a human. This robot is designed to handle tough tasks that other robots can't. Whether it's for rescuing people or working in dangerous places, Atlas shows us the future of robotics. It's smart, strong, and incredibly agile. Dig Dog Robot, the ultimate robotic helper. The Dig Dog robot, often called Big Dog, is an incredible machine made with help from DARPA, the U.S. Defense Research Agency. It's designed to assist soldiers by carrying heavy gear through rough places where normal vehicles can't go. Unlike cars or trucks, Big Dog walks on 4 strong legs, so it can easily move over rocks, mud, and other tough terrain. Each leg has special sensors that help it balance and know exactly where its feet are. It also uses a laser gyroscope and stereo vision to see what's around and avoid obstacles. Big Dog can run at about 4 miles per hour, 6.4 kilometers per hour, while carrying up to 340 pounds, 150 kilograms of weight. It can even climb steep hills with a 35-degree slope. This robotic helper is strong, smart, and built to handle challenges that humans and vehicles struggle with. The DJI Dock 2 is a next-level upgrade for anyone using drones professionally. It's a compact, portable, drone-in-a-box system designed to work with the Matrix 3D and 3TD series, making drone operations fully automatic and hassle-free. This new version is a huge improvement over the original. It's 68% lighter and has a footprint that's 75% smaller, so you can carry it around and set it up almost anywhere. Despite its small size, it's tough enough for the outdoors, with an IP55 weatherproof rating to handle dust, rain, and challenging conditions with ease. What makes the Dock 2 really exciting is its smart automation. Paired with DJI Flight Hub 2, you can create missions by simply setting waypoints on an easy-to-use interface. The drone will launch, complete the task, and return to the dock for charging. The evoBOT, created by the Fraunhofer Institute for Material Flow and Logistics, is a smart, self-balancing robot built for agility and real-world usefulness. It works using the inverted pendulum principle, constantly making tiny back-and-forth movements to stay upright. This clever balancing trick means it can handle bumpy surfaces, steep slopes, and even outdoor terrain with ease. But evoBOT isn't just good at standing. It's great at working. With 2 strong arms and grippers, it can pick up, carry, and move different kinds of objects. In warehouses and factories, it can transport boxes, supplies, or tools. It can even push or pull carts, making it much more versatile than many robots. Its ability to move smoothly in challenging environments gives it a big advantage, especially where traditional robots might struggle. While it's still a prototype, evoBOT is being used to test and improve new technologies. Festo's AquaJelly, the graceful robotic jellyfish. Festo's AquaJelly is a stunning robot that looks and moves like a real jellyfish gliding through the water. It uses soft, flowing tentacles that pulse gently, pushing it forward in a smooth, elegant motion. Powered by a small electric motor and guided by smart electronics, AquaJelly can move in any direction with ease. But this is more than just a beautiful robot. It's incredibly smart. Each AquaJelly has sensors and a clever control system that lets it detect its surroundings and communicate wirelessly with other AquaJellies. This means they can swim together in groups without bumping into each other, just like a real school of sea creatures. They can even change the way they move depending on the environment, making them feel alive. Built with lightweight materials and an energy-efficient design, AquaJelly can keep swimming for long periods. Festo's Bionic Kangaroo, the incredible jumping robot. Festo's Bionic Kangaroo is a fascinating robot designed to move just like a real kangaroo. It can hop forward with smooth, powerful jumps and cleverly store the energy from each landing to use for its next leap. This smart energy recycling makes it super efficient. The secret lies in its advanced pneumatic and electric drive system, which gives it both strength and precise control. Made from lightweight but durable materials, the Bionic Kangaroo can jump long distances while keeping perfect balance, making its movements look amazingly natural. It can be controlled wirelessly and responds quickly, almost as if it has a mind of its own. Festo built this robot to show how nature's designs can inspire technology, especially in creating efficient and stable movement. Festo's BionicOpter, the amazing robotic dragonfly. Festo's BionicOpter is a super cool robot inspired by the way real dragonflies fly. This tiny flying robot has 4 wings that flap independently, just like a real dragonfly's wings, letting it fly smoothly and quickly in all directions. It can hover in place, fly forwards and backwards, and even turn fast, showing off amazing flying skills. Made from light but strong materials, the BionicOpter uses smart technology to copy nature's perfect design. It's a great example of how engineers study animals to create better flying robots. Watching the BionicOpter in action is like seeing a real insect come to life through technology. This robot is not only fascinating, but also helps scientists learn how to build flying machines that are more efficient and stable. Festo's BionicOpter blends nature and technology in an exciting way, pushing the limits of what robots can do. Letrons, the real-life transformer car. Letrons, a tech company from Turkey, has made a dream come true by creating a real transformer car. Inspired by the famous Transformers movies, they built a full-size BMW that can transform and move like a robot. This cool BMW transformer can be controlled remotely and can even move its neck and head, making it feel alive. It uses powerful hydraulic systems to move its arms and hands smoothly. Plus, it has awesome lights that make it look like something from the future. Although you can buy these robotic cars, they aren't allowed on public roads yet because they are remote controlled and can go up to 20 kilometers per hour. But since they run on electric power, it's possible they will be street legal soon. Letrons is showing how technology and imagination can come together to create amazing machines. LOOI is not your ordinary phone case. It's a tiny robot on wheels that brings your smartphone to life. This cool gadget snaps onto your phone using magnets, MagSafe for iPhones or a special ring for Android, and suddenly your phone can roll around like a little desk buddy. Controlled through its own app, LOOI uses your phone's camera and voice commands to do some pretty impressive tricks. Need someone to follow you during a video call? LOOI can track your movements so you stay perfectly in frame. Want group selfies without running back and forth to set a timer? LOOI can snap photos automatically. It's also great for fun breaks during the day. LOOI comes with built-in motion sensor games, turning your desk into a mini playground. Whether it's following commands, taking photos, or just zooming around, it's always ready to make work and play a little more exciting. MIT Mini Cheetah, the super fast and agile robot. The MIT Mini Cheetah is an amazing four-legged robot built for speed, agility, and fun. Designed by researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, this little powerhouse can run, jump, and even do backflips. It's lightweight but strong, able to reach speeds of up to 9 miles per hour, 14.5 kilometers per hour, while moving smoothly over all kinds of surfaces like grass, dirt, or gravel. Each leg has powerful electric motors that give it precise control, allowing it to keep its balance even if it gets pushed or knocked over. The Mini Cheetah can move forward, backward, sideways, and even spin around on the spot, making it super flexible. Built to be tough and adaptable, it can handle playful tricks as well as challenging environments. The Natrix UGV, created by Brasa Defense Systems, is a small but powerful unmanned ground vehicle built to support military operations. Despite its compact size, about 1 meter long, this robot is a true workhorse. It can carry up to 200 kilograms of supplies and move at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for transporting gear quickly in the field. Its rugged design includes airless tires and the ability to climb steep slopes of up to 60 degrees, allowing it to handle rocky, muddy, or uneven terrain with ease. The Natrix UGV offers multiple ways to operate. Soldiers can control it remotely, set it to follow a pre-planned autonomous route, or even activate its Follow Me mode so it keeps pace with troops automatically. Thanks to its modular build, the Natrix can be equipped for different missions, from carrying equipment to integrating a remote weapon station for added defense. Ptoy Nibble, the cute robot cat you can code. The Ptoy Nibble is an adorable robotic cat that you can build, program, and play with. Made from laser-cut wooden pieces, it has a charming, handmade look and moves just like a real cat, walking, sitting, stretching, and even playing. The best part? No fur, no mess, just pure fun. Inside, Nibble has a tiny but powerful brain that lets you teach it new tricks. You can program it using easy tools like Scratch or dive into more advanced coding with Python or C++. Its smart servo motors make its movements smooth and lifelike, so watching it in action feels magical. You can also customize its personality, add sensors to help react to the world, and create your own unique robotic pet. RC Eagle, the incredible flying robot bird. The RC Eagle is a fantastic remote-controlled bird that looks and flies just like a real eagle. Made from lightweight carbon fiber and powered by two strong batteries, this robot bird can soar at speeds up to 17 feet per second and fly as high as 1,640 feet. What makes it truly special is its smart sensor system that controls how fast the wings flap, making its flight smooth and natural. The sensors even adjust the flying style automatically based on where it is flying, so it stays safe and steady in the air. A built-in barometer measures the eagle's height and changes the wing movement to keep it balanced. Thanks to its powerful 450 milliamp hour battery, you can fly the RC Eagle for up to 15 minutes on one charge. With a strong 35-watt motor, this bird is fast, stable, and a joy to control. Scorpion Hexapod, the most amazing and scary robot. The Scorpion Hexapod is a super cool and a little scary robot made by students using 3D printing. It looks just like a real scorpion with 6 legs that can move in all directions, making it very quick and flexible. What makes it even more amazing is its tail, which can stab and leave a mark when it attacks, just like a real scorpion. The robot's body is built with strong plates that keep everything neat and organized inside. It can sense when someone is near and react to the environment with smart movements. Sometimes it moves on its own, and other times it can be controlled by a computer, giving it lifelike behavior. This robot shows how advanced technology can create machines that seem alive, combining mechanical parts and smart controls perfectly. TRAI, created by RT Robots, is a next-generation delivery robot designed to make city deliveries faster, safer, and smarter. Sleek and modern, it combines stylish design with cutting-edge technology to give us a real glimpse of the future of urban logistics. What makes TRAI stand out is its fully autonomous navigation system. It can plan its own routes, avoid obstacles, and adapt on the go. Before hitting the streets, it maps and learns its environment so it can handle changes without a hitch. Unlike many robots, it doesn't rely entirely on an internet connection. Instead, it uses advanced sensors and publicly available maps to know exactly where it is at all times. Safety is built into every move. TRAI travels at low speeds and uses certified laser scanners along with backup obstacle detection systems. This ensures it can operate around people and traffic without causing harm. Though still in the prototype stage and without an official price tag, TRAI's potential is huge.